Do you want to be a bag maker? Then this channel is for you. Welcome to Anne Bonny Bags. My name is Uni. Today we are going to look at how to install purse feet, like this. You can get purse feet in different shapes in 4 different metal colors. And they're fun to play with, and they would protect your bag when you put it on the floor in a restaurant or somewhere. So it's pretty good and decorative, and it looks a little professional. Let's get started. So here is the bottom of our bag. We have marked up here after the pattern. It's always good to have something stiff, Decovil heavy or rubber foam, because that will make the bottom a little sturdier. But for now we're going to put some purse feet in. Purse feet, they come in different shapes and colors. Cones, like that, or rounded, silver, gold. See, this is a different kind. These other ones are fastened here, and then there's a little screw that goes in that hole. These have prongs. You don't need a screwdriver to put them in. So you mark up where you want the hole. You need a hole punch for a lot of things, rivets and everything, so you might as well buy one. Let me show you this one first. You just put that in. I always use some extra reinforcement. So here are 4 pieces of cord that I will just cut a hole in. You can use vinyl, you can use waterproof canvas, leather. Leather is probably the far best. So I'll put this on there, and then I just spread these prongs. And then I would put duct tape over it. These are pretty big, so they're kind of decorative. So let's put one of those in, antique gold. So you take the little screw. If you have a bottom that's really thick, these aren't going to work because you can't have too many layers on this. So I use the cork, and then I will try and put it through that hole, get everything away so I see the metal. Then I screw them in by hand first. You can use glue in this hole too. You see this hole that it comes with? If you put glue in there, maybe you'll never be able to remove them. Maybe that's a good thing. And then you can strengthen them with these. And let's do one more. So you put that in from the back first, through the reinforcement piece, then through the rubber foam, and then through our waterproof canvas. Screw it in, and then you tighten up as hard as you can, and there you have it. You don't have to use duct tape on these. I would on these where there are prongs, I would use duct tape. If you have a bottom that's larger than this, I would actually have 2 on there too, or you can have 1 in the center. That's also possible, you decide, but you measure first and mark up so you know that is exactly in the center. Let's put in a 4th. First through the reinforcement to the rubber foam. Looks a little more professional on the bottom of a bag when you have feet. Of course, now here for this I need a different screwdriver. Hold that so it doesn't swivel with the screw. I think that's enough. There we go, 4 different purse feet. Thank you so much for watching my little tutorial today. There are more videos on my YouTube channel, so keep watching. And I'll hope you consider using purse feet in the future. You can buy them on Amazon.com. See you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.